Agent. We're a vendor of online backup software, which we deploy at the data center of the of hosters and service providers, whereby they can offer a private label backup service to their end users. So end users being small and medium businesses, they can back up their laptop, desktop or on-premise servers like file servers, Exchange and SQL servers over the internet to the data center of the service provider, hoster, telco, whatever, in a fully private label fashion. So we are just a software licensor, actually, and a software vendor licensing our software to the hosting. Last year we got quite some demand from our existing hosting company partners for an integration into Parallels Automation, which is Parallels' leading control panel and provisioning system. Because a lot of these larger service providers and telcos, they were actually provisioning all their services through this control panel, and they require every new service to be provisioned through that. So we started to talk to Parallels what the options were, and well, we signed up some launching partners, and we actually started developing the product, which we are announcing today.
So Parallels Automation enables service providers to deliver solutions like Backup Agent, but it enables them to provision and bill for a range of services. So things like hosted email, storage, security solutions, things that small and medium businesses typically consume as a service. It can be hosted on-premise within a hosting environment, or it can be delivered as a SaaS module if it's hosted somewhere else. And the integration in the product that Roland released is based on a standard called Application Packaging Standard. It's an open standard supported by Parallels, 1&1, and other companies, but it enables ISVs to deliver solutions without having to do native integrations. And it reduces basically the time to develop, reduces the cost, and provides a more cohesive way to manage integrations and adapters as new releases of products come out.
Yeah. Well, you see, small businesses are the main business service providers are offering are mainly web hosting, hosted email, those kind of things. But as the Parallels Automation system is actually enables the service provider to enrich their portfolio with many other services, an SMB customer can very easily just log into their own POA environment and just click to additional services which they would like to adopt. This can be Exchange, CRM, SharePoint, or hosted backup, and then it would be by Backup Agent. So in this sense, the service provider can very easily increase its ARPU, average revenue per user, by every user just adding new services to their existing portfolio.
Typically, small and medium businesses, once they make a decision to host, they're looking for domain names typically. They may be looking for things like SSL certificates if they're doing any kind of e-commerce transactions. They're probably looking for maybe a shopping cart if they're doing transactions over the web. And then you tend to go into more business class email, hosted email, I would say storage, the backup solution to back up whatever data they have, and then security products, whether they're filtering email, whether they're endpoint security, but things that basically small businesses would consume. And then we're starting to see a trend more into applications, but the applications can vary by company, but they could be things like account management, CRM, payroll services, accounting, things of that nature.
That's actually where our focus is actually at, because we see that those organizations don't have their own IT staff, they don't have their own people managing the networks, so they're actually turning to their service provider for these type of solutions. So they just want it out of the cloud and just host their backup, their CRM, their email, everything which Nick just mentioned, into the cloud without any hassle, and just pay per use, pay per month. So that's actually also the model which service providers are offering when offering Backup Agent to the market. So definitely the SMB sector is our focus.